So when I first got this truck fired up, I've been having a lot of issues with getting it to tune, getting it to idle properly. I think it has to do with this carb here. It's a pretty old carter, and I'm not too sure what the history is on it. So I picked up this remanufactured Edelbrock 600 CFM, air actuated secondaries, and so this should match the engine pretty well. A lot newer technology in it than this old carburetor here, and so I'm hoping this will solve the tuning issues that I've been having. Alright, so the new carb doesn't quite line up with the holes on this conversion plate here. So I'm going to make a template of the carb, put it on top of this plate here, and just open the holes up so that it lines up properly and the butterflies can move freely. Alright, so I got it all ground down here. It's still just catching a little bit on this one here and these two down here. So I'll just take those down a little bit more where it's rubbing, and I'll be good to go. Alright, so I ground down the plate a little bit more there. Now the butterflies are all moving really nicely in there. So now I'm going to make a gasket and reinstall it on the truck.